Yeah, cocoon that mother.
Look at that shit, bro. That's
And
amazing.
bite it and put it into a state of like asleep because they won't eat a dead animal. So when they bite it, they just put it into a state of sleep.
Yeah.
And when they get hungry, they come back and eat that mother.
Look at that shit, bro.
Bad, ain't it?
Yeah, I ain't never seen no shit like that. He wrapping that motherfucker up into a cocoon. I ain't know that. Damn, that's badass, bro. That's nature like a motherfucker, dude. I ain't know that. Wow. The spot is hard too now, though. He going slow now. Wow. He sure is wrapping them up. That's badass, dog. Oh, man, that's badass. Wow.
Probably gonna dive off the edge and